Hey guys, an unboxing. It is finally came. Didn't take too long. Off TikTok Shop. But yeah, let's open it. Obviously, not showing my address, so I've got to be careful the way I open it. Let me just grab it. Oh, out there. Oh my gosh, guys. Let's see. I'm also doing this outside my school because I just left school. Wait a second. Hey, why is it taking so long to get out of here? No way, guys. We have got Mini Glowberry Prime. This is really cool. There's some damage on it, like lots of damage on it, but it's still a really cool bottle. Yeah, I recommend getting this off TikTok Shop. Very cool. I'm going to go now. Bye guys.